Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download create sales forecasts in HubSpot easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the navigation menu. Click on the sales option in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select forecasts. In the forecast section, you'll find an option to create new forecasts. Click on the Create Forecast button. Fill out the required information fields in the forecast form. Enter a name for your forecast that clearly describes its purpose. Select the time frame for your sales forecast. Specify the sales pipeline relevant to this forecast. In the revenue section, input your expected sales figures. Adjust any necessary parameters to customize your forecast. After entering all the details, review your information for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button to save your forecast. Your new sales forecast will now be available in the Forecast section. To download the forecast, locate the Export option. Click on the Export button. Choose your preferred file format for downloading. Follow the prompts to complete the download process. Check your Downloads folder for the exported sales forecast file. Congratulations, you have successfully created and downloaded a sales forecast in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.